W with MRMIKE.
Dinosaur! Dinosaur! Today we're gonna draw a dinosaur! It's Mr. Mike, everybody, and we only need 4 basic lines and shapes to create this dinosaur. An oval, an arc, a U, zigzag. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Let's start off with an oval. That will be the dinosaur's head. And we'll put that right about here. Let's see. Oval. It's a good size oval. Okay. And next we're going to draw the eyes. So we'll need 2 more ovals. You can put those right about here. And another one over here. And you can color those in. You can leave them like that, or I'm going to color mine in. Okay. Next, I'm going to make the smile, the top of the mouth. So I'm going to start right at the bottom of the eye. I'm going to come in a little bit, and I'm going to make an arc, just like that. And then I'm going to make a U shape beneath that. Great, and now we're going to make 2 more U shapes for the teeth. Ready? Make one here, and then one here. And then you can color in the rest of that mouth around the teeth, so you make sure we still see those teeth. Okay. Next, we're going to draw another arc. It's going to come across here. It's going to join the body all the way to the tail. So start here at the bottom of the head. We'll go whoop, just like that. Nice arc like that. And then we'll do another arc coming back down here. So arc that comes down and stop. Just like that. Next, we're going to add another arc. There. And then another arc. There. And now we'll add some lines. So we're going to make the feet. And the foot of this leg. I forgot the word for that. All right, so we're going to take this leg and we're going to make a foot with a line here and then a line here. Then we're going to draw another line for the foot, okay? And now we're going to create the same U shape that we used for the teeth. We're going to make little claws. Ready? U, and then U, and then a U. Now we have 3 claws there, okay? Now we're going to add another arc that's going to come up like this. So we want this dinosaur to have like a little belly, okay? So we'll start here. We're going to come down and out, and then you want it to kind of look like it's going through the leg and joining back here. That's pretty good. All right, next we're going to add the other leg. Over here we'll have another arc, and then another arc back here, just like that. And then we'll add in lines, 1, and then 2. And then we can have a line connect. Looks like this leg is stretched out further. Maybe the dinosaur is walking. We can have this leg lifting up, so the ground will be lower than this leg. This leg is lifting up. So we'll add in claws now. We'll add our U, U, and a U right there. If you need to pause this video at any point, pause it and then catch up with us and then join back in. Now we're going to add another arc here for this arm, and then another one beneath it, and then we're just going to join it with a line. And then we'll do the same thing right here. We're going to add another arc, and another arc, and then we're going to join it with a line. Now we'll add those claws again. So 1 claw, 2 claw, 3 claw. Those are the U shapes. Do another 3, 1, 2, 3, little tiny U shapes. So now we have the base of our little dinosaur character here. We just need to add the zigzags. Okay, so let's start at the top. And if you followed along with some of my drawings before, you know I like to make sound effects with my zigzags. So we're gonna say zig, zag, zoo, zig, zag, zoo, zig, zag, zoo. And then we're just gonna have a line join this here because I want to stop the zigzags right there. Okay, so let's just straighten that out. I might go through all of this with a thick black outline at the end, but let's continue. We need to add more zigzags on the tail and the back. So we'll start down here with smaller zigzags and we're gonna build them up bigger as we get closer to the head. So we'll start off small, zig, zag, zoo, then a little bit bigger, zig, zag, zoo, and then a little bit bigger, zig, zag, zoo, and then the biggest, zig, zag, zoo. So now we have our dinosaur character. We're going to add in the ground. So let's have the ground is going to be, we'll make it maybe go like this. We're going to have a line coming here and then stop, and we're going to have it continue here and go right into the foot and then come out over here. And then you can put a little, maybe some other lines here to make it look like a shadow beneath that foot. So it's raising the foot up like it's walking. And it's going, roar. Okay, so now I'm going to add a thick black outline. You know, if you follow along with my drawing, sometimes I like to put a thick black outline around my whole drawing. And then you also know that you can use the side of your marker, if you have a marker like this, to make your thick black outline. You don't have to, it's up to you. Sometimes I like to do this just to finish off the drawing. And then you just have to trace the outline, the outside of your drawing to do this. It's very fun to do, and sometimes it looks really nice. Okay, and now we're going to continue that all the way around. Now what color are we going to make our dinosaurs? What color are you going to use? It can be any color you want. I don't know, but if you want to follow till the end of this video, I'll share my color choice with you. And if you want, you can make the same one that I do, or you can make your own. It's your drawing, and you can use your imagination to make it whatever you want. Okay. Roar! Look at our dinosaur. Great job following along, everybody. Now, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to watch till the end so you can see my color choices on my dinosaur. Thanks so much for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.